Welcome to the 1854 Ceded Territory Interactive WebMap tutorial. Our main charge at 1854 is to support our tribal constituents in their subsistence harvest activities. With over 5.5 million acres within the 1854 Ceded Territory, we understand the difficulty in locating accessible public lands, or simply where to go. The Interactive WebMap hosts a variety of features and tools that allow users to acquire spatial knowledge and an understanding of access points, land ownership, and habitat types, just to name a few. We invite you to explore the 1854 Ceded Territory virtually. For those of you who don't consider yourself tech-savvy, don't fret. You cannot break the web map. If you find yourself in a pickle, simply close out of the browser and come back to a fresh start. The toolbar in the upper left contains most of the tools and features we'll be using. From left to right, these options are zoom features, a map legend, informational layers, base map options, measuring tools, help options, sharing features, the ability to print, and a search bar for specific place names. Most of the tools or options appear in the box to the right of the map. The Layers feature is the default option. Selecting a layer from this list visually adds that information to the map, and multiple layers can be added at one time. Let's say the map user is seeking a monomen or wild rice lake. First, select the Wild Rice Waters layer. This is a list of waters that presently support, or have historically supported, monomen. It also indicates the overall quantity of rice present, if it is known. There's a small arrow on the right side of the layer name. It shows the legend for that particular layer. The potential quality of monomen is indicated by different colored dots. After selecting this layer, one can zoom into the desired area for a closer look. If the user then wanted to see if there is a public boat launch on a potential lake, they select the Public Water Access Points layer. This shows canoe and motorboat launches. There are many of these locations in the 1854 Ceded Territory, so for them to appear, zooming in is a must. The base map gallery contains many options to change the way the map looks. The default is the National Geographic base map. Switching to imagery provides a bird's eye view of the land. A blue line on a green background could be a wide stream, or it could be an impassable marsh. Selecting the Imagery with Labels base map will provide a better idea of which is the case. The measuring tool is useful in several ways. The first option allows the user to measure the area of a region. Units of measurement can be changed in the drop-down menu just to the right of the three options. The second measures the distance between 2 points. Thirdly, the coordinates of 2 locations can be compared. For the rice lake of interest, the access location is known. However, how far is the portage to the actual landing? After selecting the distance measurement, simply click on the starting point and double-click at the end point. This will fix the line in place and provide a measurement in the box. The web map is a live platform that is actively updated from time to time. If you have any questions or suggestions for how to improve this resource, please give us a jingle.